Good morning. I'm a Socrites from Coimbatore. I'm a HR professional. I did NLP basic practitioner course through HAS Academy. Purnimam was our coach. We learned a lot of NLP techniques like rapport building and reframing, how to build an anchor, how to chain the multiple anchoring, how to use the sensory organs, how to change our history, like lot of techniques we learned. And every day I'm doing NLP rituals. This presupposition, certain points are there. Every day I'm adding this in my daily rituals. I thank Poorani ma'am to providing me this wonderful courses. I'm waiting for some other courses also. I will join. And I thank NFNLP for providing this wonderful course in worldwide and making people's life better. As a HR professional, this NLP is useful in my daily life and my personal life also. How to handle the phobias, it will be very useful. And my kids and my having some phobias, I used these techniques, I got some benefit, and I'm going to use this benefit. I'm going to teach these techniques to my friends and relatives who are willing. Really it is amazing. This NLP making me a positive person in throughout the day. Okay, thank you Poorani ma'am. Special thanks to you for given this opportunity. Thank you.